welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mary, back again with another video. As the title states, I'll be showing you how to create a photo shoot setup at home and how to take your pictures, your own mini studio-like settings to take your pictures like this or like this. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this, keep watching. Right now I'm going to go and do makeup, and then I'm going to show you my setup after. So this is me trying to lay the fabric on the wall so I can have a wonderful background. As you can see, I'm using fabrics, clothes hangers, and I'm just using pegs to hold them in place. This is a more detailed video. I used a total of 5 or 6 fabrics, and this is just how I pegged them. You can see the droops, so it gives you this very beautiful look when you see it from the front. Hangers to hold the materials together, and this is the stool I'll be using. I have some materials on the floor also, and that is my fan because it's hot in here, and my powder and powder brush. This is a reflector. If you don't have a reflector, you can use a cake pan like this. Then I have 3 lights in this space, and this is my camera in front of the light. And just below these fabrics, I have another light to illuminate the background, and I have 2 headlights up. So guys, I just finished my makeup. I'm about to get down to this photo shoot. So yeah, I'm just touching up my makeup because I was sweating. My phone connected to my camera to be able to take my pictures. So this is the app I use to connect my camera. This over there is blurry right now. My camera to my phone. The app is really good. If you want me to do a video about the app, you can put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you on that. So I'm just going to take my picture like this. Then I'm going to set myself well so I can take cute pictures. At this point, I was trying to get my perfect angles, and at the same time, I kept my phone on my reflector and I just set it on a timer of 10 seconds. I look at myself well on the camera till it takes the picture. This is me just repeating the same thing over and over again till I get the perfect picture. Set the timer and snap. Yeah, I was tired of bending down every time, so I kept the phone on my leg, and it was really hot, so I had to put my fan on my leg also. And then this is just me still taking the pictures. At this point, I was tired of sitting down on the stool, so I just moved to the floor, and I was getting better photos apparently, and then I just kept on slaying the shoots, getting some nicer pictures. Damn girl, work it. So guys, still taking my pictures. It's crazy. So I decided to do one with my cake. I'll just link I'll link the pictures on my Instagram, and also I will just put some pictures here so you can see them also. So yeah, I was just goofing around trying to figure out the pose I want to make, and then I just lit my candle and I got right into taking these pictures. You can set your timer for 2 seconds rather than 10 seconds, but I always do 10 seconds so I get time to just play around till I get the perfect picture. After that, I went ahead and took some more pictures because pictures can never be too much. And it's a what? It's a wrap. So So guys, this is how I take my pictures. This is how I take my pictures by myself. It's that easy. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.